Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are I can compare two numbers on a number line and write an inequality statement, which is a greater than or less than statement, and I can explain to my team why an inequality statement is true. In each of the four contests below, two frogs are hopping. So you'll see there are two numbers for each answer. So the first one is -2 and 1. So each of those answers gives the landing point for one of the frogs. So the two numbers given in each part show the frog's final landing point. In each contest, which frog is further ahead? So remember, when these frogs are jumping, we're not going to look at, we're just looking at their ending point. Who got further away for their ending point? So this question is another way of asking which frog is at the larger number. Write an inequality statement using greater than or less than to record your answer. So for each of these, for A, if you say -2 is larger than 1, you would put the greater than symbol eating the -2. And you can write it like that, or you can write it again next to the answer. The number line is there to support you. For the last slide, it says find the answer for each of these expressions. So you can use the number line to help you. You have to find the final point where the frog jumped. So this says 4 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. So if I start at 4 and minus 3 means I'm going to the left 3, 1, 2, 3, I would land on 1. And then plus 3 means I'm going to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm back at 4. And then minus 1, I'm going to go to the left one, which is 3. So my answer for the first one would be 3. Use the number line to support you in your answers.